Oh, big. Don't step on it. If you step, it is going to burst. Now you have to, huh? You have to put everything all over close to the tree, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah. Then you want to start from there, or maybe. What do you think?
This snow is already melting here.
Yeah, it's going to rain tomorrow, but we have to take the car out from first here.
I have school tomorrow too.
Yeah.
Probably. Maybe delayed opening.
Yeah, the delay open, yeah.
Why don't we put it over here?
Yeah. Yeah, you can do. You have to put all over. Yeah, start from here now, yeah. Don't took too much. It's going to break your back.
Nah.
Huh?
It's light.
It's light? You want anything to eat now?
What do you mean?
For chips or anything? Well, anyhow, you have to take the car out first.
Exactly.
Huh?
Once we get the car out here, let's make some food.
Yeah. You want chicken wings? Hot chocolate, hot milk, hot chicken wings, and
But are you serious about the $100?
yeah, definitely, yeah. Do it. I'm sure. That's your wage today. You have to clean this, and I'm helping you. My back is pain now.
That's what I said. I don't want you doing anything.
Yeah, I appreciate that, but I have to help you, you know?
You don't have to. I'll tell you when I need your help. There's no need. I just need a little break if I clean up the house. How many feet of snow do you think?
It's more than 4 or 5 feet somewhere. Here it's almost 2 feet. Now, you know what, when the snow down, the weight of the top snow is going to sandwich. It pressed down, you know?
Yeah.
Sandwich everything in the down. That's why it's going smaller, smaller, smaller. But when yesterday I was here, it was up to almost up to my chest, if I hear.
We should have done it yesterday, maybe.
Huh?
We could have
No.
done this.
Yesterday night? Yeah, now the snow is coming. So look at how feet is there. About 1, 2, 3, more than 4 feet. Yeah.
But yesterday when I was feeling it, it was very powdery.
Yeah, more than 4 feet here.
See, like this is still pretty powdery. Okay.
Yeah, but it's still sandwiches, you know, more than